Okay, it's a solo recording. Stay. Okay, guys, we are in Noah's room for Noah's Air Show. Starting off with a F-16C. Our first customer of the day is the F-16. Where's that DC-3? Oh, I forgot about him. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. Stop it. Stuka sound, but with a small airplane. Tail air brake, reverse brake. Propeller off. Landing gear down. Touch it. Go around, go around, go around, go around, go around. Oh. Vertical. Oh, get out of the closet. Glitchy, glitchy. Oh, my. Oh, emergency, 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 emergency. Landing gear off. Landing gear off. Landing gear off. Runway too short. Land, 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 land. Reverse thrust. Touch it. My gosh. Why do you do that? Oh, great. Where's that Corsair? Where's the 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 Corsair? Where is the Corsair? Cor. And we hear a plane coming from vertical. Launching vertically is the F4U Corsair. Which was made in 1940 to 1945 after its retirement in 1950. During the Korean War and World War II, these planes did not give up on defeating the Germans and the Koreans and the North Koreans, which is called and had a distinctive whistling sound, which was named Whistling Death, and is one of the most feared planes by the Japanese troops. And it has a siren on it, like a Stuka will. Stall, 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 stall. Oh no, not again. I can't be stalling at this altitude. I have to go up more. Oh my, I'm almost at the ceiling. I have to go dive. And here comes the Corsair with the sirens on. Our ears, cover your ears now. Let's hear the whistling sound of the Corsair. Oh no, the sirens and the whistling? Oh great. This is gonna hurt my ears worse. Korean. Oh, great. Another one? There's still more Japanese Empire troops. But they're back again. All of them are from the dead. Guns activated. Bombs away! Rockets, bombs, guns, all activated. Sirens activated. Whistling activated. The Corsair has a diving speed of 634 kilometers per hour, or 340 miles per hour, and is one of the least fastest planes to exist in World War II, besides the P-51 Mustang and the Hellcat F6F. If y'all don't know what a Hellcat F6F is, go look it up in the comments. Hashtag F6F and Corsair World War II edit. Air show and room. Siren practices. Oh, great. I'm sorry, all y'all, but we're going to have to deal with the sirens. Oh no, the Corsair's on fire! And it's going backwards! How's that possible? Don't tell me he could do a backwards landing. He just hit the hung plane. No, wait, I said hung plane. Hung plane on the chain hook. And he's coming in backwards. Can he do it? Is the drift to stop? He got it! Good job, Skipper! My turn. Oh, my turn. Good job, Skipper! Thank you! Okay, let's practice our sirens. Wait, you have sirens? Like me? Yes, I do. What? Let me hear them. But they're different. Land on that hole. Uh-oh. This is gonna hurt. Get back, get back. Nuke drop! Where's the A-10? We don't know. We have to find him right away. Okay, we know we're trying to find a DC-3. Holy moly! What the heck was that? It's coming at 2 o'clock. Where is it? It was the A-10 Warthog, one of the most feared planes in the sky, and was called... Oh no! No, my front gear! No! No! And he's lost his gear! Now he can't land! No, he'll have to get replaced with another new front gear wheel. What are you? I'm an A-10 Warthog. Oh, okay. Did you not see me take off? Or are you blind? I ain't blind. What are you talking about, man? I ain't blind, thank you very much, Warthog. Oh, no problem. No problem? Oh, my word, man. I'm getting away from this guy. I'm gonna land. I'm tired of this. No, I want to land. Oh, shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. What was that sound? I never heard a sound like a bird. Another one. Go ahead and do your sound, Warthog. I'm going. I'm going faster! I'm called the Death Jet. Ugh. Uh-oh, I'm coming in too fast. Brake, reverse thrust. Tail brake on. Oh no, clear the runway, clear the runway. Uh-oh. There's my gear. I could try to get it back on. Here. Come on. Get it back on. Get it back on. Get it back on. In the right place. In the right place. Right place. Right place. Right place. Come on, y'all. Okay. Come on, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry to say this, but I can't fix you. You have to stay like this for the rest of your life. Oh, botheration. I hate this. I know, but you have to. Like this, like I'm doing, I have to do this. And you have to do the same thing as me. Try to keep your tail up. Balance, balance. You're doing it. You're doing it. Shut down. Don't flip a 90-year-old plane. Come on, man. You're not 90 years old. There's no way. You were not in my wars. You were in the Cold War. You were used in the Cold War, and you were used in the Gulf War. Okay. Like that. There you go. And just touch your nose. Okay, y'all, that's the rest of this show. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye.